If you're a recent biomedical engineering graduate exploring careers in compliance, the role of a compliance engineer in the biomedical field is a fascinating blend of technical expertise, regulatory knowledge, and collaborative problem-solving. Compliance engineers ensure that medical devices not only perform effectively but also meet stringent international standards for safety and regulatory compliance. Let's break down what you can expect in this role, the skills you'll need, and the types of tasks you'd be responsible for. A compliance engineer ensures that medical devices meet all relevant safety and performance standards set by regulatory bodies like the FDA, EMA, European Medicines Agency, and other health organizations worldwide. This job focuses on guiding the device through various stages of testing, assessment, and documentation to make sure it complies with specific regulatory standards and is safe for patient use. Compliance engineers work with standards specific to medical devices, including IEC 60601-1, General Safety for Medical Electrical Equipment, IEC 60601-2, Particular Requirements for the Safety of Different Device Types, ANSI Z 80.36, Vision Care Requirements, and ISO 10993, Biocompatibility Testing. By leading compliance efforts for these standards, you ensure that each device is tested and safe to operate in medical settings. This often involves managing the testing process and working closely with research and development (R&D) teams to address any issues that arise. Working with standards for biocompatibility, environmental regulations, and product safety, compliance engineers conduct risk assessments, like DFMEA design failure mode and effects analysis, and produce risk management files. These documents are critical for regulatory submissions and product approvals. They also help identify potential risks in design and suggest solutions to minimize them. As medical devices become more connected, cybersecurity is an essential part of compliance. Compliance engineers are involved in assessing the device's cybersecurity using standards like ANSI/AMI SW96 and ISO 81001-1. They perform risk assessments to protect patient data and prevent device hacking, making the device more secure for use in healthcare settings. Compliance engineers ensure that devices meet environmental regulations, including RoHS, restriction of hazardous substances, REACH, registration, evaluation, authorization, and restriction of chemicals, and other regional requirements. They also assess biocompatibility in line with ISO 10993, ensuring that all materials used in devices are safe for patients. Collaboration is key in this role. Compliance engineers work with quality assurance and regulatory affairs teams to drive compliance initiatives and support product registrations. This collaboration extends throughout the product lifecycle, from initial design to post-market support, ensuring a device remains compliant even as regulations evolve. In this role, maintaining detailed and accurate documentation is critical. Compliance engineers manage change orders through digital platforms, e.g., Oracle, Viva, ensuring changes are documented and approved before they're implemented. They also maintain critical component lists for both legacy and new systems, helping track compliance over time. Compliance engineers play an essential role in internal audits to confirm adherence to regulations. When issues are found, they support or lead CAPA processes, identifying the root causes of issues and implementing solutions to prevent recurrence. This work helps ensure that devices continually meet high standards.